See that? I see it. Here's our barricade.
Yeah, this is our only protection, is this little chunk of wood. We're gonna try it out.
It broke when I found it.
That's a G.I. Joe helicopter in it.
No. It's a truck stop helicopter.
Truck stop helicopter.
Here you go, man.
No skid.
We got our helicopter pad. Got Jamie down there. Alright, go ahead. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000, 6, 1,000, 7, 1,000. 7 seconds. Alright,
You put it there.
got that. And there's Vito over there in the bushes. You can't even see Vito, can you? He's in a little duck blind. Look at him.
That guy, man.
Okie dokie. Alright, do you feel comfortable?
Alright,
I think we got it, dude.
How do I do that? I did.
Do we have a thumbs up? You ready? Everybody good?
Yeah.
Vito, thumbs up. Are we recording? Let's go, Vito.
When do I stop reeling? I mean, are we going to stop reeling?
No, just keep reeling.
About my ears.
Huh?
About my ears.
What?
About my ears.
What about your ears?
Oh.
You'll be fine, man. You're young, you can handle it.
We're lit. Ready for go. Reel that shit, boy. Oh shit!
Okay, you can stop it now. God! Dude, I didn't even get to see it, dude. This guy just disappeared.
I got the grill.
Vito, what'd you get, man?
That better work.
Vito, are you ready yet?
Snake behind you. I gotta pee and take a crap at the same time.
Reel it! Reel it!
I am.
Sir. Okay, stop. Real slow, reel it. There Never mind.
Wait. I'm trying it. That one we have to smoke. Is this the same one?
Dude.
It blew my hair back, man. If anyone were to be a dud, this would be it.
The best one.
Clear.
Say goodbye to the Lollipop Bear.
What is that?
Dude, man, from right here it would have been picture perfect.